Today we have got iPhone 14 Pro with no display. We will check it and will change its display. First, we will plug the charger. As you can see, there is no display. Now, we will disassemble the phone and will replace its display. First, we will open the screen with a specialized opening tool. Look carefully how it is done. We will fix the phone in the fixture. To soften the glue inside screen, we will add some isopropyl alcohol. The phone is opened easily. Then we will insert a specialized spudger across the screen sides. This will open the screen all the way. Then we will remove the phone from fixture. As you can see, the phone is open now. We will start removing all the screws one by one. Some of the screws are different in size, so we need to align them in an order. Once all the screws are opened, we will now remove the metal bracket. Now, we will unplug the battery using a plastic tool. The LCD connector and the earpiece connector. Now the screen can be separated all the way. Now we will take a new 100% original screen and will install it on the phone. Turn on the phone and test the LCD function. The LCD functions are working properly. Now we will complete the assembling process. Start by placing the metal bracket back in place. Then install the right screw on its right place. Remember, all the screws are not of the same size. extra care needs to be taken while doing this step. Be careful not to tear any flex while doing this. We cannot bend the screen outwards, otherwise we might break any flex. Once all the screws are done, we will take a final look inside before packing. We then carefully close the screen. As you can see that the whole process is complete now. And the screen is working properly. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel for more videos like this.